Hi, I'm Abi Reader. I'm from the Agri Academy Rural Leadership Programme 2014, and here is my 60-second video. I joined the Agri Academy Rural Leadership Programme because I wanted to be better at what I do in my own business. But equally, what it taught me to do was to think about the wider industry. There's all sorts of new skills to be learnt on the Agri Academy course, but definitely one of them was covering succession and the access to professionals who can give you advice on how to deal with this delicate issue. One of the best things I got out of the Academy was the great team that we became a part of. We're still in touch today, and we act as a sounding board for each other if we need it. I left the Rural Leadership course a little wiser and more confident, and with a new set of skills that I use every day, either here on the farm or beyond the farm gate in wider industry matters. Lots of doors have opened for me and lots of opportunities. And for those of you who are thinking of applying for Agri Academy, do it.